Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix creator font not showing up on your TikTok, right? So let's go into the TikTok mobile application here. Then you have to click on the profile, which is on the bottom right side corner. Then you have to click on the three lines, which is on top right side corner, and just go to the setting and privacy. And here you have to scroll a little bit down, click on report a problem, and it will load for very few seconds. So just wait here, and after that you have to search for an issue. So basically you can click and you can search here, and just let me show you. And here you have to search it, and you can also click on submit a problem, which is in the bottom. So just click on submit on problem, and after that a new box will open, and here you have to write that you are not able to see the creator fund in your account, right? And after that TikTok will revert back to you in the next 24 hours, and they will try to fix the problem, right? So this is it guys. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.